Hello everyone, I am Darshan Sawant, alumni of Shell College of Hospitality Management. I am here to show you some modern techniques of cooking. As per the days goes on, there are like new trends coming up in the market. So we are going with one of the most trending type of cooking now. So we are going with the food technique known as sous vide cooking method. Sous vide cooking method is one of the most rare and most useful technologies of cooking used nowadays. Let's start with the menu now. So this menu would be small, short and simple. It would be just thyme, garlic, salt, pepper, chicken with sous vide. So it is basically gonna be in the bag. So with bag which actually called a cryo machine. So the moisture from the chicken and from the bag is taken out for the air and it is fully vacuum sealed with the herb, butter, salt and pepper. This is what our sous vide machine looks like. This is sous vide machine. It has three multiple functions. So first is the temperature of the current water. The center one would be the desired temperature what we want to set, and this is the timer. So basically this first option shows like what is the current temperature of the water, this one what is the target temperature, and this one is the timer. So as in how like what time we need, we can just set it according to our convenience. So basically sous vide set, this is a sous vide machine. It comes like this with attachments to it. These are various sizes of bags. So for that we have to place the meat, the seasoned meat with proper oil, butter, fat, whatever it is, nicely seasoned, and just air block it and just remove all the air with the help of this suction gun. You just have to place it over alcohol and just suck it out. The air should be sucked it out, and then the main begins. For this preparation we are going to need the airline chicken. So airline chicken is basically the chicken breast with the wing bone attached to it. So for that we have to clean the chicken, make the two breasts separate from each other, use one chicken breast with attached wing, and then just cut the half of the wing, just break through it, and then slit the knife across. This is done, and then just trim the bone. This is the final chicken with bone, the breast and the airline bone which is attached to it. So now let's move on to the another step. Let's take a cryo bag. So this bag is basically used for vacuum sealing. This bag is basically used for vacuum sealing. So we are going to put the chicken breast into this and then season it with salt and pepper and some butter. This bag. Now let's gonna put this inside. Chicken goes inside like this. I'm gonna put 4 to 5 garlic, a sprig of thyme, some salt, and some pepper, and then grease it up with butter. So we are done with the kind of sous vide marination. We're gonna close this. When we close this, you can see a air valve over here. This is our gun to remove the excess air inside there. I'm just gonna place this here and take all the air out. This is the final one after removing all the air inside. So it is basically air chill now. The reason or the use for this, by taking out air, the moisture remains inside. The chicken is completely tender with no juices lost in it. The juices are entitled in this bag. So now I'm going to just drop this in the sous vide machine for 3 hours. And let's get back in 3 hours. So we have the baby corn, some salt, some pepper, some olive oil in that. It's gonna nicely give a mixture so that the salt and pepper is thoroughly mixed together. Once it is done, let's pour it down. This thing will continue with all of the vegetables here. We have seasoned all the vegetables with olive oil, salt and pepper. So the baby carrot, the baby corns, capsicums, mushroom, onion and broccoli. Now I'm gonna roast this at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Until the vegetables get roasted and the chicken is done, we will start making on the garlic sauce. So for that garlic sauce, we will need a handful of butter, some garlic in that, garlic, on low flame. Like the garlic, little of olive oil, sprig of thyme, should make sure that the garlic should not burn in it. So after that, let's add the all-purpose flour to it to get a nice consistency. Once this goes on, a little of stock like a cup. So let this get reduced. The stock has to get reduced and it will get a nice consistency eventually. Now let's season it with some salt. And some pepper. So keep this on the very low flame so it gets nicely simmered and gets reduced. This sauce is finished, we're gonna take out the chicken. It is nicely cooked and tender. This is how the chicken should be. So let's start searing up the chicken. Little butter. This is for gravy. Let's wait until it gets nice and crispy mark on that. As you can see now, our chicken is got nice and crispy golden. We should take it out and keep it for resting another 3 minutes. And we can, till then we can start with the rice. For rice, so now let's start with the rice. Tablespoon of butter, some chili flakes, some thyme, just run nicely. We'll add a little of all the vegetables in this pieces or two. Nicely done. Just the tablespoon of sauce we have made here, just for an additional flavor. Some portion of rice. A little bit of salt, maybe pepper. Just toss this rice aside. Done. Now let's start with the presentation. Now everything is done. The sous chicken is ready. The grilled vegetables are ready. The rice is ready. The sauce is ready. So now let's begin with the presentation. For that, let's take rice. Rice in hot rice. This is the accompanied rice with herb and some grilled vegetables on that. Chicken. We also get vegetables. Then top of parsley, and after this we're just gonna finish it with the sauce, just pouring on the chicken as well as some lettuce. Now we are done here with the presentation. This is what the final preparation dish looks like. So this is basically the sous-vide chicken with garlic sauce, some herb rice with some veggies and some roasted veggies on the side. So basically it's like starch, veggies, protein and some sauce. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Hope you like it. I hope it is informative for you. Just let me know